set to help you.
Urumwe thayo na unyitaniri nicio ithiete na mbere kuhunjio makanitha-ini matiganite mambura-ini maya ma Easter.
And a time when we reflect what our Master Jesus Christ did on the cross by dying for us, meaning that he was a selfless person, one who was concerned about the people and concerned about the world and the communities, how they should live and have a better life.
Atongoria a makanitha makiuria ateti kunyitithania a Kenya na njira ya kuhunjia thayo guku makimoria kugia na uigiririki wira-ini wao.
You need to sacrifice, ready to lay down your life for the sake of the nation, for the sake of the community and the people you are living with, the people you are working with, the people you are worshiping with. And that is the true meaning of Easter.
Ihinda-ini riu muhunjia kanitha-ini wa Jesus Teaching Ministry guku Nairobi Peter Manyuru nioritie ateti gwithema miario ya irumi na njinu iria itagiriire mbere ya Kenya.
We continue to witness selective accountability where justice appeared to favor the powerful while ordinary citizens bear the burden of economic hardship. The culture of impunity must come to an end.
Atongoria ya oho no moritie ateti kugia na uigiririki hari uhuthiri wa mbeca cia muingi na makiria gwithema ungumania wa indo iria mehokeirwo ni muingi.
Corruption has become deeply entrenched, draining public resources meant for essential services such as health care, education and infrastructure.
Hamwe noguo mokiriire ateti aria mambiriirie mihango ya kampeini mbere ya ihinda riria riagiriire.
Wana concentrate katika mambo ya kisiasa. Hali mataifa zingine zote duniani, kila nchi duniani saizi kila nchi inafanya ni kuona vile wataweza kusaidia watu wao ili wasiingie katika ile high cost of living.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Getwo Wambui wa Njuguna.